the
Sa
mission
ngayon guys,
God had
wala na
given
yung
him.
wisdom.
He
Malaki
had
rin nawala
seen
sa
God's
akin.
glory, experienced his forgiveness,
May
and
nakita
accepted his
ko
call.
sa
Now he
site.
was ready to face any challenge that lay ahead.
Ito ay isang
Thus began Isaiah's
stream sync.
ministry. The vision in
Ka
the
ng
temple
video,
was just the beginning of a life
kikita ka
dedicated to
dito,
being God's
sample
voice
ito.
to his people. Isaiah, a
Yung
changed
ito,
man, ready to make a
tumatakbo yung
difference in
oras
his
mo
world. He would confront
sa
powerful
panunood,
kings,
pero may
speak out
income ka.
against injustice and idolatry,
1
and
minute
bring
katumbas
messages of
nun ng
hope about a future savior.
1
His life would never be the
US
same,
dollar.
and through him, God would speak to his people for many years.
Kasi may challenge to.
After receiving his call in the
Bago ka
temple, Isaiah began his
withdraw.
work.
Ito yung challenge niya. 3 piraso o 4. Ngayon, ang unang challenge nila, kailangan to ito makaabot ka ng 500 USD. Ito yun, yung kulay green. Tapos ito yung total watch time yung kulay dilaw. Dito yun naman, ito yung 500 minutes. Ngayon, kailangan mo mag-invite ng 20 katao. Kung 20 katao, siguro kung lahat sila ay manonood, tag 1 oras lang yan. Mami-minimum mo itong 200 o 2,000 minutes na watch. So, ipunta natin sa 15 katao yung invite mo. Manood sila tag 2 oras, 2 oras. Oh, yung 1 hour nito, katumbas nito ay 60 minutes. 60. Kung 2 oras, 120 na. Ito yung requirement nila bago ka makapag-withdraw. Tapos dito ka manonood sa watch paid. Yan. Pipili ka lang ditong video kung anong gusto mo. Tapos punta tayo sa withdrawal nila. Ito ito yung pagpipilian mo. May USDT, may Binance, may Skrill, may PayPal, may Debit, may GCash. Ngayon sinubukan mag-withdraw pero hindi pwede dahil konti lang yung minimum nila. Ito, yan o, 500 yung minimum nila. Pero pwede na rin to, wala ka nang puhunan dito eh. Kundi ang puhunan mo dito, load. Madaling maubos load mo dito. Pero ang ginawa ko nitong kagabi, yung sa isa kong account, yung ginawa ko dito, 3 oras yung video na yon. Simula yung alas 12, natapos alas 4. Alas 4 ba yun? Alas 3. Kaya nakaabot ako dito ng 500 dito, 500 USD. Ngayon ang kailangan ko naman itong minimum watch na 2,000, kaya linipot ko yung isa kong account para manood. Pero sa gusto sumali, pwede ko ilagay yung link. Tapos kailangan ko lang 15 katao para masubukan natin kung legit itong earning na to, itong application na to, kung legit talaga. Kasi maraming nagre-request may plate. Pero malalaman ko to kapag makomplete ko tong 2,000 minutes na watch. So yun lang muna sa akin ha. Goodbye. See you again.